Today I want to look at the most useful knife I own, and it's this one. This is the little SD Classic. Super sharp little blade. I sharpen this quite a lot. Then we also have the nail file, which can act as a Phillips head screwdriver because it's small enough, and a small flathead. You can even in a pinch open a big flathead screw. And I filed this side down so you can strike a ferro rod. And then on the other side we have the little scissors, the most useful scissors in the whole world. Okay, we have the little pliers, the little, whatever you call these things, tweezers to take out splinters from kids' fingers, and then this thing. Remove things from little spaces, and I'm constantly digging with this in my teeth. Most useful knife in the whole world.